Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl K Did. Come back out to you one more time. So I know I haven't come here in a while. Truth and advocacy. Sorry. So what is happening with me at the moment is that I'm gonna be telling you about Summer Youth. As you know, Summer Youth is in New York City. I'm not. Maybe other states have different programs, SYEP, but our stuff it's crazy how early it's starting. So the applications, they said they might push it back because I feel like if a lot of people don't sign up, they're gonna have to push it back anyway because they need positions to be filled for the young people. So I say it's 14 to 24. I feel like that's the age group. But the close date is at the end of the month of February. So everything will be down below. Another youth opportunity. I'm gonna tell you right now, I did Summer Youth 3 times and I loved it. My first job was my first job on the books. I did work before that was Summer Youth. I worked at Rollins Park in Queens. I had fun there because I was so young, and some of the kids were the same age as me. I was doing it. They only kept me in the art room. I wanted to do like sports or something like that, but it's whatever. I got to stay inside, not to be hot, so I was good with that. I was fine with that. But they got to go on trips. They should have let me happy with the little kids, but it's all right. This other, I don't know if it's only with NYCHA, but I should just read the information. But it's a youth, basically a youth training course, right? That you get to go and obviously some youth is paid. I'm pretty sure they usually give out money to these programs. I'm not gonna lie to you. When I was young, back in my day, I went to every training program there was. I'm not gonna lie to you. When I was getting paid for it, it was not against my religion and my values in life. I went to every program I could and get that money. I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm not gonna do nothing strange for a little bit of change. I'm gonna do something regular for the schmegular degular. Right? You get it? So I did that a lot as a child. Well, as a younger person, you know? I wasn't a child. When I was 14, I was a child. When I was in my 20s, I was a young person, right? So go to the training program, learn some skills. Hopefully they have better connections now than they did back in the day. And we know as things progress more, I feel like every time I'm on camera, I'm cleaning my eyes. My eyes feel dry like I was crying, but I wasn't. I don't know what's going on. I could probably cracking. Look at that. I don't know. Anyway, but I'll be having just like, I didn't put more of my thing right here. I don't know. Anyway, so look down below. Everything will be down in the description. I hope this helps. My voice is just not the same. And I'm trying to do some youth drop-in centers probably. Youth, youth things for helping the homeless with the youth and kind of stuff. So tell me what you would like to do or see me do or what youth might want. And I could try to get into that, okay? Bye, guys.